Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on Messenger. We go to settings. In this page here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click here in this window of Messenger. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.